Hello everyone, I am Shweta and welcome to my channel Analytics by Shweta. In today's video, we will see how to create Excel datasets using ChatGPT. So let's proceed.
So let's see our first example. We want to generate a table of 100 records with these columns. If you see in date of birth, I have given the formats of the date which I want. Then I have also said that I want department column to be aligned and contextual with the designation column. What this means is if a designation is HR officer or HR assistant, then that person must show in the HR department and not in the finance department. Then I have given the gender categories, that is male, female, and others. And then for the city, I have said give me the city and then give me the country to which it belongs. And I want an Excel file to download. So let's put this prompt in ChatGPT and generate our data set. So I have put, and let's see, it is taking some time to analyze the data. So let's wait for it. It has given our data. Let's just download it and let us just open the file. So if you see, we have our data set of name, gender, city, country, date of birth, designation, department, and sub-department. So this is of 100. You can have more data points in this. But remember, in the free version, you can only have certain data points which you can extract. After a point, it gives you a data restriction and then it tells you try the next day. So this is our first example of generating a data set for employees. Let's look at one more example. This is our second prompt where we want a table with product ID, product name, category, and price. Then we have said the category should be stationery, technology, kitchen products, and clothing products. And the category should be those respectively. And we want 100 rows of data. That is, the product should be belonging to stationery category or technology category or kitchen category or clothing category. So let's copy this prompt onto ChatGPT. So I have copied my prompt and we wait for ChatGPT to analyze and give us the Excel data. It has provided us. If you see here, I have got a message that I have reached my data analysis limit. So in the free version, you have very limited number of sessions which you can do. Otherwise, you have to upgrade your subscription for ChatGPT. But for practice, this is fine. So let us see this data. I have. So if you see, it has given me product ID, product name, category, and price. So if you see blender, it is giving kitchen. Frying pan, it is giving kitchen. So it is giving me the products related to those categories and it is giving me the price. So let's look at one more example. This is another prompt for a dataset creation. Here we are saying create a sample table of 100 records of toy product sales and the data must be usable for pivot table analysis and we want to download it as an Excel file. Here we are not giving any sort of information on columns and how we want the data to be, what are the basic records or any categories. We are asking ChatGPT to use its own judgment. So let's proceed. So we put our prompt and let's wait. It has given us the data. Let's go ahead and download this data. Let's just open the data. So if you see, it has given us data, dates, product, category, region, sales channel, unit sold, unit price, and total sales. So ChatGPT has used its own judgment to give us the data. If you require any changes in the data or if you require additional columns, you can further give prompts to ChatGPT and to kind of improve upon this data set. But remember, the free version allows you only certain instances of data set creation. So use it wisely because you will have to wait for certain number of hours so that you can do the next analysis. So let's look at our next example. We have our next prompt over here where we have said create a table with product ID, product name, category and price. The products should be name of flowers, fruits, vegetables and markets. And the category should be the respective flowers, fruits, vegetable and markets. Markets should be at least 12 market teams randomly assigned to various products. You want 100 rows of data and I want to download it as an Excel table. So let's go ahead. So I paste in my prompt here and let it analyze. It has given me the data set. Let us just download it and let us just view it. So if you see, we have product IDs, product name, category, price, and markets. And it has randomly assigned markets to the various products. So here we are giving prompts to ChatGPT and generating our data set. Let's try creating a data set with VBA. So here we are saying write a VBA code to generate an Excel table with flower names and their color. We are also telling it to make the table attractive using font styles and colors and give us 10 rows of flower names and their color. So let's see. So we paste our prompt. We wait for the macro code to come and let the code load. The code has loaded. So let us just copy this particular code. Let us go to our Excel sheet. Remember, in macros, you need to have an Excel sheet which is saved as a macro enabled workbook or a binary workbook. In normal XLX files, it doesn't work. So remember that. Next, to use this macro, we go to Developer, we go to Visual Basic, then we go to Insert and we insert a module. Now in this module, we paste our particular macro code which is there. Now to go back to our sheet, we click on this icon which is present over here. So let me just click on this icon. Now to use this code, we go to Insert and we insert a button. And let us drag the button. The moment you drag the button, a pop-up will come. So I'm dragging it. A pop-up has come. You see the name of the macro is present here. Let us just select it and do OK. So what we have done essentially is we have assigned a macro to this particular button. So now to run this macro, just click on the button. So I'm clicking on the button and I'm saying OK. So if you see, it has given me 10 rows of data and it has given me the colors and it has given me font colors and the columns are also, headers are also highlighted in a particular color. And the macro code I have given that, make it more attractive by using colors and font styles. So that is what it has done. Let's look at another example. We want to create an Excel table of 50 records for pizza sales. And then we want columns like category, which should have the categories like veg, non-veg and vegan. Then we want a column called as cuisine, and the cuisines have to be Italian, Mexican, Greek, Indian. The various products should be the pizza names. Now these products which are the pizza names, they must be aligned with the category. That is, if I say it's a chicken pizza, the category must be non-veg. Also, the pizza names should be aligned with the cuisine. So a paneer pizza would be Indian, a taluda would be Mexican. And then we want no duplicate entries for pizza names. We want unique pizza names. Now what happens is sometimes when you create records using VBA, it gives you the same record twice, but it gives a serial number to it. For example, chicken pizza 1, chicken pizza 2, chicken pizza 3. So these are three products because they are serialized 1, 2, and 3, but essentially they are the same products because it is chicken pizza. So we do not want such an instance to happen. So we had said give me unique pizza names. Do not add a number at the end of the pizza names. I am saying this because of experience. I have used it, and through experiences you learn what kind of prompts you need to give. So let's paste this prompt. So I have copied the prompt and I am pasting it. Let us see. It says it adds a new worksheet called as pizza sales. It gives us whatever prompts I have given, and it is giving me a code. So let the code load and then we'll copy the code. Our code has finished loading. Let me just copy this. We go to developer, we go to Visual Basic, we go to insert, and we go to module. We paste our code over here. We go back here. We go to developer. We go to insert and we insert a button. We drag this button and we get this pop-up. We will assign our macro over here. Let us click on it. We get the message. Let us do OK. If you see here, we have got pizza names, we have got category, we have got cuisine, price, and units sold. If you see, certain pizza like Mexican crust is shown as Mexican, whereas the other pizza like, if you see, barbecue chicken fusion is showing Indian, tandoori feast is showing Indian, veggie hot is showing as veg. So it is aligning the category and cuisines with the product. So in this way, you can create data sets for different kind of products, for technology products. Let's see one more example. We want to create an Excel table of 50 records for country details. We want their countries, we want the capital, we want the national bird and the currency. So let's copy and paste this prompt in ChatGPT. I am pasting my prompt. Let's wait for the code to load. We will go ahead and copy this code. We go to developer, we go to Visual Basic, we insert a module, we paste our code, we go back to our Excel sheet, we insert a button, we assign the code to it. Let us just run this code. If you see, we have got countries, their capitals, their currency, and their national bird. And we have got 50 entries. So in this way, you can create data sets for Excel using VBA macros. You can also write prompts with your columns and details of the columns, and it will directly give you a downloadable Excel sheet. So you can use according to your preference. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.